A DJ mixer is one of the most important tools for anyone passionate about DJing, serving as the creative hub of your setup. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics, an intermediate DJ refining your skills, or a seasoned professional looking to deliver unforgettable performances, choosing the right mixer is crucial. It allows you to seamlessly transition between tracks, control volumes, EQ, and add creative effects like filters, delays, and echoes to enhance your sound. A mixer gives you the tools to not just play music but to craft dynamic, unique sets that engage your audience. When buying a DJ mixer, it's essential to balance price and quality based on your needs. For beginners, budget mixers under $300 are a great starting point. These typically offer 2 channels for straightforward mixing, basic EQ controls, and simple connectivity options, making them ideal for learning and home practice. For intermediate DJs ready to step up their game, mid-range mixers priced between $400 and $800 provide more advanced features. These often include 4 channels, allowing you to mix multiple tracks or integrate external devices like turntables, samplers, or drum machines. They also come with enhanced build quality, more precise controls, and built-in effects, giving you more creative freedom. Professionals, on the other hand, should consider high-end mixers priced above $1,000. These models are designed for maximum performance, offering premium sound quality, robust build materials for durability, and advanced capabilities like standalone operation, extensive connectivity options, and highly customizable effects. Beyond price, there are several key factors to consider when choosing your DJ mixer. First, think about the number of channels. A 2-channel mixer is perfect for basic track transitions, but a 4-channel mixer offers greater flexibility for layering multiple tracks, using loops, or connecting additional gear. Built-in effects are another important feature. Effects like filters, reverb, echo, and phasers can add depth and creativity to your mixes, giving them a professional touch. Some mixers even allow you to map custom effects to specific knobs or buttons, tailoring the setup to your style. Software compatibility is also a critical consideration. Most mixers are designed to work seamlessly with popular DJ software like Rekordbox, Serato DJ, Virtual DJ, or Traktor. Many mixers come bundled with a software license, which can save you additional costs, while others require a separate purchase. Be sure to choose a mixer that integrates easily with the software you're most comfortable using, or one you're excited to learn. Connectivity options are another essential aspect. Look for the right inputs and outputs based on your setup. Common options include USB ports for laptop integration, RCA and XLR outputs for connecting speakers or amplifiers, and headphone jacks for queuing tracks. If you're using external devices like synthesizers or drum machines, make sure your mixer has the necessary inputs to support them. Portability and build quality are also worth considering, especially if you plan to DJ at events or gigs. Lightweight mixers with durable designs are ideal for traveling, while studio-based setups can prioritize larger, more feature-packed models without worrying about portability. Regardless of where you'll use it, a mixer should feel solid and reliable, with responsive buttons, knobs, and faders that stand up to regular use.